What is this person doing? He's seen handling molten lava with bare hands, an image that tightens one's chest. Yet miraculously, his hand emerges unscathed. The temperature of lava is no joke. Could it have been a fake hand? But no, guesses are wrong. This amazing phenomenon is known as the Leidenfrost effect, and it's hidden in our daily lives. For instance, when we stir fry, we notice that droplets in a blazing hot pan can freely roll around without evaporating quickly. All this is due to this effect. It's intriguing how it forms. We know the boiling point of water is 100 degrees, and at this point, water simply continues to boil. However, with the Leidenfrost characteristic, when a droplet hits the pan, only the contact point boils rapidly. Here's the key. There's steam on the contacted side. Because of this steam layer, the water gets its magical power, typically insulating it from the scorching surface of the pan. Moreover, the transfer of heat through steam is slow, so the water doesn't evaporate as quickly. Water inside the pan is not in a boiling state. Thereby, in performances and such phenomena, the performer can dip their hand in liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is extremely cold, and the reason there's no harm is due to a similar effect. To achieve this is simple. Wet your hand. However, such experiments are still very dangerous, so don't try them lightly.